Most people get this wrong. They think website monitoring tools are all the same, but Hetrix Tools offers features that make it stand out, especially if uptime and security matter to you. Hetrix Tools is a monitoring platform that checks your website's uptime, blacklists, SSL certificates, and server health. When I tested it, I was impressed by how easy it was to set up monitoring for multiple domains in minutes. You get instant alerts via email, SMS, or Slack if something goes wrong, which is critical for maintaining your online business or blog. One standout feature is the blacklist monitoring. If your server's IP ends up on a spam blacklist, Hetrix Tools notifies you immediately, so you can take action before it affects email deliverability. I also like the SSL monitoring that alerts you before certificates expire, preventing downtime. The interface is clean, and pricing is transparent, with both free and paid plans depending on how many checks you need. The downside, advanced analytics and historical reporting are limited compared to some enterprise tools, so it's better suited for small to medium websites rather than massive enterprise setups. So, who should use Hetrix Tools? If you run a website, e-commerce store, or SaaS platform and need reliable uptime and security monitoring, it's a great choice. If you need in-depth enterprise analytics, you might want to supplement it with another tool. In conclusion, the surprising truth is that downtime can cost you real money, and Hetrix Tools makes it simple to stay ahead of issues before they impact your users. Subscribe for more honest website tool reviews that help you keep your site safe and running smoothly.